Dylan here from Makita, New Zealand. I'm really excited to give you an introduction to one of my favourite tools we've got in our range. It's our DUC 353 18V/2 chainsaw. This tool is an awesome example of a petrol replacement for the workplace or the backyard. With no fuel mixing, no filling, no dead spark plugs, or blocked air filters to replace, our DUC 353 gives you petrol performance without the fuss. Our DUC 353, it uses two tried and true Makita 18V LXT lithium ion batteries. It's directly driven by a Makita built brushless outer rotor motor. You'll deliver a huge 0 to 1200 meters per minute of chain speed, which is totally controllable by you too, with a variable speed trigger. You'll be making up to an impressive 45 cuts in 250mm pine logs per charge. With safety in mind, however, we've also included a simple push button on-off switch. It's got auto power off function, so basically the saw will automatically shut off when operation is delayed or put down. It's going to extend the battery life, but it's going to maximise safety, avoiding accidental starts between uses. The conventional handle and front handguard is engineered to engage a chain brake when required too. And at the same time, it also isolates the trigger electrically. It's been built with Makita's XPT for added protection. Our unique extreme protection technology, it's a series of seals and channels basically, and it's engineered to direct dust and water out of your saw for increased durability and longevity of your tool. Our DUC 353, the chainsaw, it's ready out of the box to take on almost any job you have. Coming standard with a 350mm or 14-inch bar and chain and a protective cover. Toolless chain tension adjustment on the side, it's just another piece of convenience for the user too. Our bar and chains, they're industry proven performers, and you can find them and a great range of other accessories like our chaps and visors for all of your outdoor power products. Hey, thanks for watching and taking a look at the DUC 353 18V/2 chainsaw. I know the outdoor power offerings from us at Makita, they won't disappoint. And if this is the tool for you, or you want to find the right one in our range, take a look at it. www.makita.co.nz